How to fix unable to connect to Badoo's servers on Badoo. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if we're not able to connect to the Badoo servers. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. The unable to connect to Badoo servers error can stem from various issues. First of all, you have to start by ensuring that your internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Second, if you're using an app, try to clear the cache files for the app. So, long press the Badoo app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to your app information page on Android, go to storage and clear the cache files and make sure to clear the data. If you're using iPhone, you can try to simply offload the application. Now, you also have to make sure that your system itself is updated to the latest version. So go to your settings itself, go to your software update and check if your software is updated to the latest version. And also make sure that the Badoo app too is also updated to the latest version. And when you've done all that, it should hopefully help you solve the connection errors on Badoo. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.